Welcome back, Star Wars fans. Today, we have an exciting deep dive into the highly anticipated Star Wars game movie of 2023, Skywalker. Get ready to immerse yourself in the galaxy far, far away as we explore the story, gameplay, and everything you need to know about this thrilling new addition to the Star Wars universe. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates. In Skywalker, players embark on an epic journey set in the aftermath of the events depicted in Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker. The game takes place in a sprawling open world, allowing players to explore various planets, encounter iconic characters, and shape the destiny of the galaxy. The game follows a new protagonist, a Force-sensitive individual who discovers their connection to the Skywalker lineage. As players progress, they uncover a hidden threat that seeks to resurrect the Sith and plunge the galaxy into darkness once more. It's up to our hero to rally allies, learn the ways of the Force, and ultimately decide the fate of the Skywalker legacy. Skywalker introduces a mix of action-packed combat, exploration, and deep role-playing elements. Players can choose their path, whether they wish to follow the light side of the Force and become a Jedi Knight or embrace the dark side and master the Sith arts. The choices players make will have significant consequences, shaping their characters' abilities, relationships, and ultimately the game's outcome. Skywalker features a vast array of beautifully rendered planets to explore, each with its own unique ecosystems, cultures, and challenges. From the bustling cityscapes of Coruscant to the treacherous landscapes of Mustafar, players will have the freedom to travel across the galaxy and interact with a diverse range of characters, both familiar and new. Of course, what would a Star Wars game be without its beloved characters? Skywalker brings back fan favorites like Rey, Finn, and Poe Dameron, allowing players to team up with them on their quest. Additionally, players will encounter classic characters such as Luke Skywalker, Leia Organa, and even face off against formidable villains like Kylo Ren and Darth Sidious. Skywalker also offers exciting multiplayer modes, allowing players to team up with friends or join forces with other players online. Engage in epic lightsaber battles, participate in cooperative missions, or challenge others in competitive PvP arenas. The possibilities for Star Wars enthusiasts to connect and enjoy the game together are endless. And there you have it, an overview of Star Wars Game Movie 2023, Skywalker. With its gripping story, immersive gameplay mechanics, and the opportunity to shape the Star Wars universe, this game is sure to captivate fans and gamers alike. Mark your calendars because Skywalker is set to release on various platforms. The game's stunning visuals and attention to detail are a testament to the dedication of the development team. From the intricate designs of the lightsabers to the meticulously crafted environments, every aspect of Skywalker aims to transport players into the Star Wars universe like never before. A Star Wars game wouldn't be complete without its iconic sound design and music. Skywalker features an original score composed by a team of talented musicians, capturing the grandeur and emotional depth that fans have come to associate with the franchise. From the hum of a lightsaber to the epic orchestral pieces, the game's audio aims to enhance the player's immersion in the Star Wars galaxy. For the most dedicated Star Wars fans out there, Skywalker offers exciting pre-order bonuses and a limited edition collector's edition. Pre-ordering the game grants access to exclusive in-game content, such as unique cosmetic items, additional missions, and even playable characters from the extended Star Wars universe. The collector's edition includes a special packaging, an art book, and other collectibles that will make any Star Wars enthusiast's heart skip a beat. Since the announcement of Star Wars Game Movie 2023, Skywalker, the anticipation and excitement from the Star Wars community have been palpable. Fans have been eagerly discussing their hopes, theories, and expectations for the game, further solidifying the immense love and passion for this iconic franchise. The development team has also been actively engaging with the community, listening to feedback, and incorporating player suggestions to make Skywalker an unforgettable experience for all fans. This dedication to creating a game that resonates with the community's desires promises an even more immersive and satisfying adventure in a galaxy far, far away. As we reach the end of our episode, we can't help but feel the anticipation building for Star Wars Game Movie 2023, Skywalker. With its engaging story, expansive open world, and the opportunity to shape the Skywalker legacy, this game is poised to become a landmark entry in the Star Wars gaming universe. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of Star Wars. May the Force be with you, and we'll see you next time.